Important one paper MCQs part 31. The deepest place on earth is trench, marina trench, groove, none of these. Correct answer, marina trench. Marina trench is the place of deepest on this earth. What language was the Communist Manifesto first published in? French, German, English, Russian. Correct answer, German. Communist Manifesto was first time published in German language. The loudness of sound is measured in unit called hertz, ohms, decibels, moles. Correct answer, decibel. The loudness of sound is measured in terms of decibels. Blood, the platelets are required for transportation of oxygen, transportation carbon dioxide, initiating clotting of blood, immunity. Initiating clotting of blood. Basically, platelets are required for clotting of bloods. The factor what primarily increases the reactivity of alkali metals? Increase in electronegatividity, increase in ionization, increase in atomic size. The correct answer, increase in atomic size. When increase in atomic size, their reactivity of alkali metals increases. Lithium is less reactive than sodium, and sodium is less reactive than potassium, rubidium, and CS. International Women's Day is celebrated each year on 8 March, 10 March, 12 March. The correct answer, International Women's Day was celebrated on 8 March. PM stands for meridian. PM stands for post meridian. What is the currency of Bhutan? Correct answer, the currency of Bhutan is Nagal-dram. Type of food absorbed, digest into the human body early? Protein, vitamin, fats, carbohydrate. Correct answer, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate absorbs earlier in the body. Its digestive system starts in the mouth of a human. What is the total time of National Anthem of Pakistan? The standard tune of National Anthem of Pakistan: 60 seconds, 80 seconds, 100 seconds, 120 seconds. Correct answer, the National Anthem of Pakistan is 80 seconds. Who wrote the National Anthem of Pakistan? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Hafiz Jalandhari, Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal. Correct answer is Jalandhari. The National Anthem was written by Hafiz Jalandhari. It makes a touch screen work? Pressure sensor, heat detection, electric conductivity, light sensor. Correct answer, electric conductivity. Touch screen works on the principle of electric conductivity. Cause earthquakes: underground explosive, movement of tectonic plates, heavy rainfall, ocean tides. The correct answer, plates movement. Earthquakes occurs on the earth due to movement of tectonic plates. Earth is made up of a number of tectonic plates. What is the primary cause of acid rain? Natural weathering, volcanicity, industrial pollution, forest. The correct answer, industrial pollution. Industrial pollution causes the acid rain. Why do we see our breath in cold weather? Cold air is visible, water vapor condenses into tiny droplets. Lungs produce more moisture, cold makes air dense. Water vapor condenses into tiny droplets, which tiny droplets are visible, therefore our breath in cold weather is visible. Why does baking soda remove odor? It masks smell, it neutralizes acid and base, it absorbs moisture, it kills bacteria. Correct answer, it neutralizes the acids and bases. Therefore, baking soda removes odor. What causes static electricity in clothes? Humidity, friction between the fabrics, synthetic material, washing detergent. Correct answer, fabrics. Static electricity produced on the clothes due to friction between the fabrics. Which type of light bulb is most energy efficient? Incandescent, fluorescent, LED, halogen. Correct answer, LED is most energy efficient bulb. Why does garlic turn green when cooked? It spoils chemical reaction, oxidation, heat change. Basically, the reaction with sulfur compound, its color change. Which cooking oil has the highest smoking point? Olive oil, coconut, avocado. Correct answer, oil. Avocado oil has the highest boiling point among these oils. Makes onion makes you cry? Strong smell, sulfur compounds, spicy oils, chemical preservative. Answer, sulfur compound. Sulfur compound, onion makes you cry. The duration of a day at the pole is. The duration of the day at the pole is 6 months. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Vitamin A, B, C, D. Correct answer, C. Vitamin C causes a disease of teeth of scurvy. What causes muscle cramps? Too much expensive, dehydration, cold weather, lack of sleep. Basically, due to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. What is the normal body temperature of a human health? 36, 37, 38, 39. The correct answer, 7 degree 98.6 Fahrenheit is the normal body human temperature. 98.6 is normal body human temperature. Which organ purifies blood in human body? The correct answer, kidney purifies the blood in a human body. Metal is used in thermometer. Copper, mercury, zinc, lungs. Correct answer, mercury is used in thermometer. What is the currency of Japan? Yuan, won, yen, ringgit. The correct answer, yen is the currency of Japan. What does GDP stands for? Gross domestic product, general domestic, gross development product, general development product. Correct answer, domestic product. GDP stands for gross domestic product. Water boils at low temperature at high altitude because temperature is low, there is a less oxygen, air pressure is low, gravity is low. The correct answer, pressure is lower at higher altitude, therefore boiling point rises and water boils at low temperature because air pressure. United Nations headquarters is located in Geneva, New York, London, Brussels. Correct answer, United Nations headquarters is located in New York. How many sides does a hexagon have? 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct answer. Six-sided diagram is called hexagon. What cause of iron to rust? Heat exposure, reaction with oxygen, bacterial action, magnetic field. Correct answer. Reaction with oxygen and water, iron rust. Which movie won the Academy Award for Best Picture in 2025? 1917, Joker, Parasite, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Correct answer. Parasite won the Best Movie Academic Award in 2020. How many strings does a standard guitar have? 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct answer 6. 6 strings in a standard guitar have. Is the largest organ in the human body? Brain, liver, lungs, skin. By the definition, is a organ and skin is the largest organ. After skin, there is a liver. Second largest organ in a human body. Why does metal feel colder than wood at room temperature? Metal is actually colder. The correct answer, conducts heat better than the wood. Therefore, at room temperature, due to its conductance, it feels colder. How do microwave ovens heat? Infrared radiation, heating waves, microwave cause water molecule to vibrate, steam generation. Correct answer. Microwave cause water molecules to vibrate. On the principle of oven is microwave cause water molecules to vibrate. Why does milk turn sour? Bacterial formation, oxidation, temperature change, light exposure. Basic. A milk bacterial fermentation causes its change its taste into sour. Which nutrients is the primary source of energy for the body? Protein, fats, carbohydrate, vitamin. Correct answer. Carbohydrate is the primary source of a human body. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Almaty, Astana, Bishkek, Tashkent. Correct answer. Astana is the capital of Kazakhstan. Ozone layer is at height of how many kilometers above Earth? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Correct. 20 to 30. The Earth's atmosphere are divided into troposphere, which is 0 to 10 kilometer. After stratosphere, it is 10 to 30 kilometer, and then mesosphere, which is 30 to 40, and then 50 to 400. The branch of science that deals with the study of sound and waves is called acoustic. Is the study of science in which studies sound waves. Makes bread rises. Baking powder, yeast produce carbon dioxide, heat expansion, steam fermentation. The correct answer, yeast produce carbon dioxide. Due to fermentation, yeast produce the carbon dioxide in a bread, which therefore bread rises. Which type of lens is used to correct nearsightedness? Convex lens, concave, bifocal, cylindrical lens. The correct answer, lens is used to correct the nearsightedness. What happens to water when it freezes? It comes. The correct answer, water freezes, it becomes less denser because water molecules forms its structure which heavy voids. Therefore, its density decrease, or snow or ice move on the surface of water. Ice is the form of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The correct answer, The second name of dry ice is carbon dioxide. It is a cold form of carbon dioxide. The main cause responsible for global warming: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane. The main carbon dioxide increased concentration which cause global warming. What major dam project was prioritized under PSDP? The correct answer: the Basha Dam was major dam project which prioritized under PSDP. The law of conservation of energy is based on Bernoulli's theorem, Venturi relation, Stokes law, equation of continuity. Correct answer: Bernoulli's theorem based on the law of conservation of energy. Thank you very much.